That looks good. Hey!
Earlier this week, I had the opportunity to attend Roborock's exclusive demo event in New York City, where I got a first look at the highly anticipated flagship Saros Z70. Set to launch in the US in early May with an MSRP of $1,899, the Saros Z70 marks Roborock's most ambitious robotic vacuum yet. Introducing the Omnigrip, a robotic arm system capable of recognizing, picking up, and placing objects within the home. Special thanks to Roborock for covering our travel expenses, and be sure to check out the links in the video description for more details. The core innovation in the Saros Z70 is its Omnigrip robotic arm, a multi-axis manipulator integrated into the vacuum itself. Unlike traditional vacuums that avoid obstacles to push them aside, the Z70 actively engages with them. At launch, the robotic vision system supports automatic recognition of 5 object types: socks, small towels, tissue paper, sandals, or slippers under 300 grams. These recognized objects are flagged on the home map during cleaning runs. If automatic sorting is enabled, the robot will finish its scheduled cleaning routine and then proceed to pick up each identified item, placing them in user-defined storage areas, either a Roborock storage box included with the unit or a shoe storage area configured in the app. Activation and safety protocols are important. Given the complexity and potential hazards of a robotic arm operating in an uncontrolled environment, Omnigrip is disabled by default out of the box. To enable it, users must go through a 2-step authentication process. Navigate to Settings, Robotic Arm Settings, enable Robotic Arm in the Roborock app. Confirm activation by pressing a specific combination of physical buttons on the device itself. This ensures the user has physical access and authorization before robotic manipulation is allowed, an important consideration for safety in homes with pets or children. Once enabled, the Omnigrip supports 2 distinct operating modes: automatic sorting, where the Z70 will autonomously pick up and relocate recognized objects after its cleaning cycle. This is ideal for a fully hands-off experience. Or manual sorting. If users prefer more control, they can access a list of flagged objects via the app and select specific ones to sort. The robot will then carry out those tasks on command. This flexible design balances automation with user oversight, giving power users the ability to optimize workflows while still allowing casual users a seamless experience. One of the more impressive features is the remote control to pickup mode. Users can access a live camera feed from the robot's perspective and control each joint of the Omnigrip arm via a joystick-style interface. While only 5 item types are automatically recognized, users can manually manipulate the arm to attempt pickups on a broader range of objects. For those wondering, there is also a camera built into the arm itself that you can view and see a whole new perspective on your house, like looking up at the ceiling. This effectively turns the Saros Z70 into a mobile, teleoperated manipulator, which opens up for fascinating possibilities not just for cleaning, but for broader smart home monitoring and further integration down the line. In addition to picking up items for sorting, the Z70 supports follow-up cleaning. If enabled, the robot will temporarily move recognized items out of the way to clean the surface underneath and either leave them nearby or proceed with sorting, depending on user settings. This addresses a long-standing issue with robotic vacuums. Objects on the floor typically go untouched, leaving dusty outlines or missed spots. Roborock's solution is both clever and practical. The Roborock Saros Z70 represents a significant leap in consumer robotics, not just in cleaning performance, but in interactive environmental engagement. While the object recognition database is limited at launch, the mechanical and software systems behind it are robust and clearly built for extensibility in mind. Seeing it in action, recognizing a sock, grabbing it with mechanical precision, and dropping it into a map storage zone felt like watching the future of smart home automation unfold in real time. I'm excited to get more hands-on time with the Z70 for a full, in-depth, detailed review, so stay tuned.